here. We are not not we are typing. Just that is the first one. That is the version in here. That is the version is came. Okay, and that is the version is showing here. That is the Microsoft Windows version 10.0. This one. Next one is the time that is executed in here. That is the current time is this one 14. This one, and you can change your new time. That is the enter new times. Okay. Next one, uh, that is the date. Okay, sorry, this is the volume. That is the volume are seeing in here. Okay, D65C F90A. Next one is the date. That is the current date is the showing in here 1st February 22. Okay, you can change this one. Next one, that is the which one? That is the MD Versa. That is the make directory Versa. Okay, and copy con Nisa, and that is the directory is the make, and also copy con Nisa. That is the file also created. That is the directory and file also the created. Now next command is the dir showing. That is the dir showing. Suppose this is my some content in here, some content we are writing here, and next one we are just copy com, and next command is the directory, and in here directory is the directory in here. That is the volume in this one. That is the one directory and one file created. That is the file directory name is the Nisa is present in here. Okay, that is the sorry, Versa is here. That is the 1st February 22. That is the time is at 2:42. That is the one directory is created. That is the name is the Versa. Okay, and another one is the Nisa is created. Another file, that is the Nisa also the created. So in this way we are execute our batch file. Okay, so this is the use of the batch file. Okay, what it is, student? A batch file is the unformatted text file. It is an unformatted text file or a script file. It is also the script file or an unformatted text file which contain multiple commands to achieve a certain text. Okay, it contains series of commands that executed by the command line interpreter. Okay, extension kya hai? That is the .bat and a .cmd. Okay, when we create the file, then we are obviously put that is the .dat. Okay, the instruction in a batch file are the automatically repeating the command sequentially. Okay, now next one. Sorry. That is the next one is the some basic commands of the batch file. That is the basic command in a batch file we are used. That is the echo. In here we are use that is the echo, cls, title, exit, pause, double colon, copy. These are the some basic command we are used in a batch file. Generally that is the echo that is used for the print out the input string. कोई भी string को अगर मैं print करना चाहता हूँ, suppose that is the hello world, I want to print this one. So we are used that the command is the echo command. It can be on and off mode. For echo to turn the echoing the features on or off. Okay, if the echo is on, the command prompt will be displayed. The command it is executing. Okay, if it is the echo on, otherwise that is the command prompt will not be displayed in the command. It is the executing. Okay, so this is the command used of the echo. It is just print the string. Okay, next one is the CLS. CLS already we know that is a clear screen. That is a clear the command prompt screen. So we are use the command of the CLS. Okay, next one is the title. Title is used for change the title text displayed on the top of the prompt window. Okay. Next one is the exit. Exit command to exit the command prompt. It is used for the exit the command prompt. Okay. Pause generally used to stop an execution of Windows batch file. Okay, that is used for the stop. That means the pause the file and resume the file. Okay, it is used for the stop the executions of the window batch file. Okay, double colon that is used for the add a comment in the batch file. That is the add the comment to the batch file. Batch file में अगर comment कुछ भी कुछ लिखना है, then we are use that is the double colon. Okay, and copy a file or a files. अगर copy करना है, then we are using the command सीधा copy. So these are some basic command in our batch file. Okay, now next one, that is the types of the batch file in a Windows. Generally that is the five types of the batch, five batch files we are used in our Windows MS window. That is the first one is the INI. That is the start.ini. That is used for the initializations of the file. It is used for the initialization. कोई फाइल को इनिशियलाइज करने के लिए we are used that is the ini command. Okay, ini, that is called the ini batch file. This set of default variable for the system and the program. Okay, next one is the CFG. CFG, that is the dot extension is the dot of CFG. These are used for configure the file, configurations of the file. Next one is the sys. That is extension is the dot sys. Okay, sys, that is the system files that can sometimes be edited, mostly compile the machine or code in a new version. Okay, next one is the com. Com generally dot com. That is used for the comment files. These are the executable files for the DOS command. In early version, there was a separate file for each command. Now most of the inside comment.com. Okay. Next one is the CDM. CDM generally that is a dot extension is the CMD we are used. These are the batch file used to NT operating systems. Okay. So these are the some batch files in the window are present. That is the .ini, .cfg, .system, .com, .cdm. That is the CMD. Sorry, CMD. That is the comment. There is a batch file used for the NT operating systems. Okay. Next one, that is the how to run a batch file. Okay, batch file को कैसे run कराया जाता है. पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे. Let's suppose I want to sample a batch file that I want to print. That is my string. Suppose I want to print some string. That is the string name is the string name is the this is my first script. इसको अगर मुझे स्क्रीन में डिस्प्ले कराना है तो how to write the batch file. We are use the batch file in here. Firstly we are open a notepad. Okay, firstly we are open a notepad. क्या करेंगे, पहले हम लोग notepad open करेंगे. So we are go to the notepad. Okay, notepad. Okay, we are go to the notepad. Okay, in here we are write that is the two command. First one we are write that is the echo of that the firstly we are write that is the at the rate of echo 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 of. Okay, then we write then that is the starting and ending, that is we are write that the pause pause. Okay, that is the first and last syntax. In between we are write that is the I want to do, क्या करना चाह रहा हूँ. In here we are just display the first display the string को मैं display करना चाहता हूँ. So in here we are write that the echo is my used for the printing the script. Okay, so we are write that the echo. Suppose we are write that the hello world. Okay. We are write this one. Okay, now we can save this these things. Okay, suppose I want to save that is the I want to save this one batch programming. Okay, so in here we are suppose write that is the test one dot bat. In here we are we are used that is the dot bat extension because this is the batch file. So test one dot bat. This one is saved. Okay. Now I want to execute this one. तो execute करना है इसको. So कैसे execute करेंगे? So in here, so firstly we are write that the clear the screen. Okay. Suppose text one. That is the not recognized. Test one is not recognized that because the internal command system is the batch file. Okay. So in here, suppose this one is okay. Completed. Now we are go to the main path where we are saved. We are saved in here OS file batch programming. Okay, that is the test one. So we have clicked this one. Okay. So we have clicked this one. That is the hello world is printed in here. That is the hello world. Okay, got it, students? तो पहले क्या किया, जस्ट वी आर राइट, सपोज आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले दैट इज द हेलो वर्ल्ड। हेलो वर्ल्ड जो स्ट्रिंग है उसको मैं डिस्प्ले करना चाहता हूँ, तो फर्स्टली क्या लिखूंगा, एट द रेट ऑफ इको ऑफ, ओके दैट इज द फर्स्ट लाइन, वी आर राइट दैट द इको ऑफ, देन वी आर राइट दैट द पॉज, पॉज लिखेंगे, ठीक है, लास्ट में पॉज। एंड नेक्स्ट मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था, मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव यही था, आई वांट टू प्रिंट दैट इज अ सम स्ट्रिंग, suppose that the string is my hello world, so we are write in here echo hello world, okay, hello world. Then we save this file, then we save this file in using the dot extension bat, okay, dot extension bat, okay। तो जहां पर मैं सेव किया हूं, जस्ट वी डबल क्लिक, देन इट इज द displayed our content, that is the hello world, okay, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next one. So in this way, that is the batch file are run. Okay, next one, that is the echo of. Why we are used in here, that is the two comments we are used, that is the first line and the last line. We are used, that is the echo of, and last line we are used, that is the pause. Why we are used, that is the echo of. If we are used, that is the echo of, at the top of the script, it will be produced and the output, where the echo itself will also be displayed. Okay, just in here, that is the displayed, that is the echo of, it is the top of the script, it will be produce the output, okay, where the echo itself, and it will be displayed, and after the output becomes like this one, okay, otherwise it avoid the display to the command itself, it must use, that is the echo of at the top, okay, and batch file command are not, it is not a case sensitive. In here we are write that is the capital letter or a small letter, that is not a method, okay, it is not a case sensitive, okay। नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज द बैच फाइल वेरिएबल्स। बैच फाइल का कुछ वेरिएबल्स है, कुछ वेरिएबल्स है, जैसे बिसाइड द सम रिजर्व वर्ड, दिस द predefined commands should not be used. Any word or a letter can be used as a variable. Here is how to the batch file are declared. Generally, we are declared that the set variable name, then variable value. For assigning the numerical value, just we are write that the set a variable name numerical value. In here, if we are use the numerical value, then we are use that the set backslash a variable name, then numerical value. Otherwise, suppose we are set variable, suppose abcd, then we are use that the set variable name, that's equal to variable value. Suppose set a equals to 4. In here, that is the set a variable name, then numerical value, okay. So in here, that is the note, DOS or batch command are not a case sensitive, and slash a is used for assigning the numerical value. Uninitialized variable are the empty string in the batch file, okay. Suppose in here, that is a batch file variable we are used in here, that is the, we are write that is the first two things, that is the echo of, at the rate of echo of, and last one is the pause, okay. In here we are used, that is the two variable, one is used the apple, and another one we are used, that is the apple equals to 2, that is the set value, that is the 2, a equals to 2. Then how to write this one, we are write this one, that is the at the rate of echo of first, then set name apple, okay, that is a variable apple, then echo, that is a name, name क्या है, that is the echo किसको करेगा, मान display क्या करेगा, apple, apple is displayed in here. So for the numbering variable, it is a numbering variable, so we have put this one, that is the modulo operation, name apple, then modulo operation, then set a equals to 2, that is the numerical value, so we are set that is the a equals to 2, okay। then मुझे इको करना है, that means डिस्प्ले करना है किसका वैल्यू को ना, ए का वैल्यू ए इक्वल्स टू 2, सो 2 वैल्यू को मुझे 2 जो वैल्यू है उसको मुझे डिस्प्ले करना है, सो वी आर राइट दैट द इको, दैट इज द वेरिएबल मॉड्यूलो ऑपरेशन ए, देन मॉड्यूलो ऑपरेशन, देन पॉज। तो क्या डिस्प्ले करेगा, दैट इज द डिस्प्ले, दैट इज द एप्पल 2, that is the, what is the variable name, first one, that is the apple, so it is display echo, that is the apple, in what, this is the name क्या है, that is the apple, so in display in here, that is the apple, in here, that is the a equals to 2, what is the displayed in here, that is the echo is the a, so in here, that is the 2, okay। so एक बार करके देखते हैं, ठीक है, एक बार हम लोग इसको एग्जीक्यूट कराते हैं, देखते हैं होता है या नहीं। सपोज दिस वन, so Oh, this one. Already in here we write this one. This command, okay, echo of set name apple, echo name this one for numbering variable, set a equals to 2, echo modulo person a pause. If we write this one, then we are getting the output apple and 2. Why we are getting the apple? Because that is the we are echo, that is the name variable. So in here that is the modulo person echo modulo name modulo. Okay, for the numbering variable, because in here that is used for the comment, that is the double colon. Okay, set a equals to 2 and we are echoing that is the a modulo person a and modulo person this one. Okay, so this is our second batch file variable, this one. Okay, next one is the pause is used for hold the screen until it is waits for use its inputs, user inputs. Okay, next one is the variable scope in the batch file, global variable and a local variable. Global variable and local variable. Okay, global variable in here also, that is the, we are set this one, that is the echo of, firstly we are write that the echo of, that is the first line at the rate of echo of, and lastly we are write that the pause. Okay, in here that is the set the global variable and local variable. Okay, set the variable 1. Okay, that the variable 1 is the global variable. Set the local variable, set the local, that is the set variable 2. Variable 2 is the local variable. Then we are echo, that is the first one, that is the var 1. We are echo, that is the modulo operation var 1 and modulo operation var 2. Okay, end of local and pause. Then it will be generate, that is the var1 is my local variable, var1 is my global variable and var2 is the local variable. In this way, that is the displayed. In here we are already do this one. Just seeing this. This is the this one. Okay, this is the B, that is in here we are write in a text file. Just we are write that is a B करके ये करता हूँ, ठीक है. Just write this one. Sorry. This one we are write that is a this is the notepad. Okay, now this one we are write this program. Just we are just copy paste this program in where in my here, that is the batch programming. Okay, just this one, batch programming. Okay, that is the first file. Suppose in here that is the first one, that is the BB, this one, this one. So that is the first one, that is the batch file example, batch file variable example. इसको मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. This one, just we are right, that is the echo of, set the name is the apple, echo that is the name for numerical variable, set a equals to echo this one a. अब इसको सेव एज करना है, सेव एज कर दो, ठीक है. सपोज वी आर राइट इन हियर दैट इज द bb डॉट, क्या फाइल होगा, दैट इज द बैच फाइल. ओके, सेव दिस वन. ओके, इसको सेव कर दिया हूं. अब इसको क्रॉस करते हैं, ठीक है. जस्ट वी आर गो टू द batch file program. Okay, now in here that is a bb file. Now in here that is a showing that is the first variable is the apple, and second one is the 2. Press any key to continue for using the pause command. Okay, next one, that is another we are seeing, that is another variable that is we are used in here, that is the variable scope in a batch file, global variable and local variable. So this is our program. In here we are just using this one, and we are open the notepad. Now we are write the program, that is the echo of first, then set variable 1 is equals to variable 1, where 1 is the global variable, set local, set variable 2, that's equal to variable 2 is the local variable, echo modulo operation varchar 1, echo modulo operation varchar 2, end local, pause. Okay, now this is the save as. Okay, suppose we are write that is the cc, okay, dot bat file. Okay, now save this one, save this one, and we are getting this one is the, we are getting this one from this content, suppose cc, that is the cc in here. So this is the showing this one, that is the var1 is the global variable, var2 is the local variable. Okay, so in this way we are execute this one. Okay, next one, that is the that is the this one, variable scope in a batch file and global variable and local variable. In this way we have set the global variable and local variable. Okay, next one, that is the, now let's see what's happened when we try to use the local variable beyond its scope, that is using the end local. Okay, इसको एक बार हम लोग चेक करके देख लेते हैं क्या क्या हो रहा है. Just we check this one, we check this one, that is the, let's run beyond this one. Okay, so this one we are copied. Okay, and we are used, that is a text file, notepad. Okay, just put this one. Okay, save as, that is the dd dot bat. Okay, save. Okay, just go to my this one, that is a dd. Okay, where one is a global variable and echo is off, echo is off. So in here, that is a program kya tha, this is the set var set variable one is the global variable, set local, set variable 2, that is the variable 2 is the local variable, echo variable 1 is displayed. Okay, modulo varchar 1 int local, then echo variable 2, then pause. So in this program, that is the variable 2 is the local variable. In here, that is the variable 2 is the local variable, and when we try to access it after the end local, after access is the end local, it executed the following is happens. So variable 1 is the global variable and echo is off. Okay, so this is happens in here. Okay, now next one, we are going to next this one, that is the batch file unary operator. Okay, यहाँ तक ठीक है. हम लोग कैसे एग्जीक्यूट कराते हैं बैच फाइल को? हेलो,
यस सर.
यहाँ तक किसी का कोई दिक्कत? एनीवन? रामैया, सत्संग ठीक है. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट हम लोग इसका यूनरी यहाँ तक हो गया है, लोकल एंड ग्लोबल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द यूनरी ऑपरेटर. हम लोग सी में देख चुके हैं, ऑपरेटर बहुत टाइप का होता है. इसमें बैच फाइलिंग में हम लोग कैसे यूनरी ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं उसके बारे में हम लोग देखेंगे. ठीक है, यूनरी ऑपरेटर इन हियर, दैट इज द मेनी यूनरी ऑपरेटर आर प्रेजेंट. द फॉलोइंग लिस्ट आर यूनरी ऑपरेटर इन द बैच फाइल प्रोग्रामिंग. That is the tilde operation, that is the tilde operator, that is the boolean not operator. This symbol is the boolean not operator. This one is the unary minus operator. This is the unary minus operator. Tilde operator is unary operator used for the sorting the long directory names. Okay, that is a long directory name, then we are used, that is the tilde operator. Suppose this one, that is the macros tilde 1. Okay, that is the macros tilde 1. Okay, now that is the arithmetic operations. In here, that is the arithmetic operation we are used, that is the plus, minus, modulo operations. Okay, that is the division, that is the multiplication. Okay, these are the these are the arithmetic operator we are used in a batch file. Okay, batch file programming. That is the addition operator. Plus is used for the addition operator. Suppose in here we are used, that is the set a5 plus 5. That means that suppose we are used, that is the a5 equals to a variable a, that is the 5 plus 5, that's equal to 10. Set a 10 minus 5, that means the in here that is the 5. Okay, modulo operation we are used in here, that is the modulo operations, modulus operation. This is the divisions operator, this is the multiplications operator. ओके, सो एक हम लोग इसका एग्जांपल हम लोग एक करते हैं. ठीक है, जस्ट वी आर यूज दिस वन, कॉपी, नेक्स्ट वी आर राइट दिस वन in here, just we are use this one. Firstly, we are right, that is a notepad. First one, okay, just this one we are write this one, that is a batch file. Firstly we are write echo of, and lastly we are write that the pause. In here we are used that is the summation. Okay, we are used that is the summation. In here we are set that is the local variable that is a equals to 2 and set b equals to 4. Okay, and set a s, that is the summation of a modulo a, and this is the a and b, and echo sum, then the sum equals to this one. Okay, इसको सेव करते हैं. We are save this one. Okay, suppose that is the name is the ee dot bat. Okay, dot bat. Okay, save this one. Okay, now we go to the, sorry, we are go to the main screen. This one, that is the ee. In here, that is the ee my program. Okay, in here what is the summation result? That is the 6, because in here that is the we are use that is the echo of set a equals to 2 and set b equals to 4. Then we are summation, that is the a, content of a and content of b. What is the content of a? That is the 2. What is the content of b? That is the 4. 2 plus 4, that equal to c. It is echo, that means that we are display this one, that is the 6. So this one, so sum is the 6. Okay, now that is the precedence of the arithmetic operator. Precedence already we know, that is the priority of the operator. That means the which one is the highest priority, which next precedent, then the lowest priority. So this is the precedence of the arithmetic operator are follows in this order. Okay, are followed in this order. Firstly, that is the division, then multiplication, then modulo operation, then plus, then minus. Okay, so in here that is some equations are present, that is a 20 minus 5, then start 2 plus 8 by 2. Okay, इसका resultant value क्या होगा? Resultant value क्या होना चाहिए? That is a 15 into 2, 15 sorry, पहले इधर हो गया 15. Okay, 15 के बाद क्या हो रहा है? That is start 2. Okay, start 2 plus then 8 by 2. So 15 into 2, that is the 30, और इधर हो गया 4. Then we operate, that is the plus operator, that is 30 plus 4, that is the 34. So एक बार हम लोग इसको देखते हैं, इसका बैच फाइलिंग करके देखते हैं. Okay, so we are use that is the notepad first. Notepad. Okay, we are open the notepad, then we are put this one, that is the echo of pause, then we are use that is the expression, that is the 20 minus 5 start 2 plus 8 by 4, that is the echo is this one. Okay, now we save this file, save as. Okay, now this is the ff file. Suppose we are write that is the ff dot bat. Okay, now we are save this one. Okay, now we are run this one, that the result, actual result we are getting or not. So we are use this one. Okay, ee file, there was sum equal to 6, press add key to continue. So this is the 6 is my result. Okay, sorry 6 nahi, that is the ee nahi, this is the ff na, that is the 34 आना चाहिए, that is the sum equals to s equal to 34, press and key to continue. Okay, so this is the 34. 34 है, because in here that is the this is the echo of set a equals to this one, echo this one, and pause. Okay, this is the explanation of this one. Okay, it is a relational operator. In here this is the relational operator we are used. So relational, that is the many relational operator are present, that is the eq, neq, eq, that stands for the equal to, neq, that is the not equal to, ls, that is the less than, leq, that is the less than or equal to, gtr, that is the greater than, geq, that is the greater than or equal to. So these are the some relational operator are used in here. EQ, NEQ, LSS, LEQ, GTR and GEQ. Okay, so एक हम लोग इसको ट्राई कर लेते हैं. So we are check this one, क्या आउटपुट आ रहा है. Copy this one. Okay, so firstly we are use the notepad in here. Notepad. Okay, just we put this one, that is the echo of, in here that is the set A x equals to 3 and set A y equals to 4. Okay, S and Y, that is the 3 and 4, that is the two value we are taking in here, x and y के अंडर में. If x is equal to y, then echo x is equal to y. अगर 3 in here, that is the compare this one equal or not, then this one not equal, then so that is the echo x is not equal to y. If it is a less, we are used that is the L double S less than LEQ. Okay, it is a less than y. LEQ, that means the x is the less than or equal to y. GTR, that is the x is the greater than y, and GEQ, that is the greater than or equal to y. So in here we are said that the two values 3 and 4 under the x and y. So we are check this one using the relational operator, that is the EQ, NEQ, LSS, LEQ, GTR and GEQ. Okay, now we save this one. Okay, save करेंगे. Suppose that the name is the GG dot that. Okay, save. Okay, now we can run this file. Okay, so how to run this one, that is a GG. Okay, in here that is a, we are set that is the x equal to 3 and y equals to 4. So x is not equal to y because that is the x value 3 and y value is the 4. So x is not equal to y. X is less than y obviously because that is the x is 3 and y is 4. So x is less than y. Okay, x is less than or equal to y. X is less than or equal to y. Okay, so this one is operate. Okay, so in this way we can use the relational operator. Okay, that is the relational operator in a batch file. Okay, so this is the x is not equal x is not equal to y, x is less than y, x is less than or equal to y, this one. Then there is a logical shift and a redirectional operator. Logical shift and redirectional operator is this one, that is that is called the logical shift operator. Okay, this one is the redirectional operator, that is the redirectional operator. Okay, so in here that is used, that is the echo testing or redirectional operator, that is the test.txt. Okay, example 2 operator echo of net user text.txt. Okay, so these are the some comment. Also we are used that the some operator that is used, that is the sorting. Suppose in a file that we are write a file. Suppose in a write a file in here, that is the numerical value is the are not in any order. That means the not ascending order or descending order. We can sort this one using the command of the sort, using the command of a sort. Okay, suppose in here that is we are write a file, that is the 43718. Okay, this is the content in here present. I want to sort this value. We are used, that is we are write a batch file, that is the echo of, then we are write the sort. Okay, then we are taking that is the checking the file name num dot what is the file name. Suppose we are save this file in a num. Okay, dot txt. So num dot txt, then pause. Then it is showing. So when it is run or execute this file is containing that is the 1, 3, 4, 7 and 8. So so it is when it is executed, that is the sorted all the content, that is the 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, so in this way we can sort the file using the batch programming. Okay, okay, got it, student? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, तो ये सारे कमांड तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस करो वन बाय वन. ओके, मैं पीपीटी शेयर कर देता हूँ. इस प्रोग्राम को करो, सीएमडी नोटपैड ओपन करो, नोटपैड ओपन करके लिखो प्रोग्रामिंग को एंड एक बार चेक करो एंड प्रैक्टिस करो. प्रैक्टिस करके रिपोर्ट शीट में लिखो. ओके, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ओके. जस्ट मैं इसको शेयर कर देता हूं। अपलोड दिस वन। SP22 batch programming, that is the batch programming open। ओके देखो मिल गया है, फाइल मिला है। ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट दिस वन।
यस सर।
ओके सत्संग, ठीक है, इसको देखो एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो, ठीक है। जिस तरह से मैं नोटपैड ओपन किया, नोटपैड ओपन करो। नोटपैड ओपन करने के बाद इसको क्या करना है, नोटपैड में प्रोग्राम को लिखना है। प्रोग्राम को लिखो तो उसका स्टार्टिंग क्या होता है, एट द रेट ऑफ इको ऑफ, एंड लास्ट में क्या होता है, दैट इज द पॉज। इन बिटवीन यू राइट योर प्रोग्राम। ओके, अगर रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर यूज करना है या अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन यूज करना है या लोकल वेरिएबल या ग्लोबल वेरिएबल जो भी है, इसको उस हिसाब से प्रोग्राम को लिखना। देन यू आर सेव दिस वन एज ए सेव एज, देन नेम ऑफ द फाइल डॉट बैट करके, डॉट एक्सटेंशन क्या होगा, डॉट बैट। अब उसको सेव एज करने के बाद क्लोज कर दो। क्लोज करने के बाद जहां पर फाइल तुम सेव किए हो, आइदर डेस्कटॉप में या कोई ड्राइव में, जाकर उसको डबल क्लिक करो। अगर फाइल अगर ये होता है तो रन करेगा तुम्हारा, ठीक है। ओके, गॉट इट।
यस सर।
ओके, थैंक यू। तो आज के लिए यही रखते हैं, ठीक है, यहाँ तक ही रखते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, एंड प्रैक्टिस करो। ओके,
थैंक यू सर।